Welcome back. All Goa Bakers Association seems confused over the newly announced government scheme for bakers. They want the provisions to be more precise and specific. The association warns that the scheme should be allowed only to bakeries that are registered with them. The members have also demanded single window clearance for bakers subsidy scheme.
Government has recently announced special subsidy scheme for bakers in state. Any baker operating for more than 20 years and who bake Goan traditional products can avail this scheme. The All Goa Bakers Association seems confused over the provisions.
पूण हिंगा आतां कन्फ्युजन जाला. एका बापायचे सपोज एक दोग जाण भुरगीं आसात जाची बेकरी पायची बेकरी तो चलयता आनी दुसऱ्यान बेकरी घातल्या ती कोणी वर्सां जाली. सो तोय ट्रेडिशनल आनी होय ट्रेडिशनल पूण तो आयज बाजाराक डिमांड आसा त्या प्रमाणे थोडे आपली स्नॅक्स करता पॅटिसां करता ताका मेळटलें काय दोगांकूय मेळटलें. दुसरें आयज लोकांच्या मदें कन्फ्युजन जाला. जरी तर सबसिडी मेळटा तेणें जर 3 रुपयांनी पाव करचो सबसिडी मेळना तेणें पाव कसो विकचो.
They have demanded single window clearance for the scheme. The bakers claim that formalities under scheme are tedious.
इझीपणान बाबा तांची फॉर्मेलिटी करून तांकां कितेंय मेळचें.
There are more than 200 bakers registered with this association. Moreover, association has demanded that bakers registered with them should only be allowed to avail the scheme.
No, तांकां भायल्या लोकांक सबसिडी मेळपाचें आमचें हें ना. आतां थंय कितें आहा आमी आमच्यान जेन्ना ते फॉर्म आयले म्हणटच आमी कितें करतली एक कमिटी आमची येतली इन्वेस्टिगेशन. अनलेस ते इन्वेस्टिगेशन केल्या बगर आमच्यानी फॉर्म फुडें करूंक जायना. कित्याक फाल्यां कितें तर समज तर आयलें जाल्यार गव्हर्मेंटाच्या सुवातेर पयलें येतलें एसोसिएशन.
Samir Bhatt for Prudent.
Goa Olympic Association has initiated talks with Goa Basketball Association in its bid to end factionalism that has affected the state basketball. The GBA has recently conducted state championship without having GOA recognition, while Association of Goan Basketball was granted affiliation by the state Olympic body to govern the sport. Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar wants the two basketball associations united and has instructed the sports officials to do the needful.
Soon after, Goa Basketball Association President Father Ralin D'Souza revealed in an interview on Prudent his openness to discuss the situation of the state basketball. Goa Olympic Association got proactive and opened talks with Father Ralin.
I have spoken to him on 2 occasions, in the recent past also. And especially I must thank the Prudent media because you all took some initiative, had an interview, and thereafter I have been able to talk to him. And he is also positive, but then I understand that he has his own difficulties to overcome. And we have spoken in length, and I think he is working and we are both working.
Do you put a timeline on till when you have to resolve the issue, because then you have to train the players as well for the final phase of training?
There cannot be a time limit for this, but it has to be immediate. It is urgent. As you rightly said, the team is there, then the accreditation of the players needs to be done with Lugok. They are in the verge of starting that. So considering all that, there is really no time. But then how it comes out, how it works out is a question mark.
Basketball enthusiasts and most importantly the players will be eagerly awaiting for clarity in direction as soon as possible, as the sport can only improve if the administrators are working for a common goal. Our sports editor Neeraj Prabhu with video journalist Dinesh Karpe.
Now a look at the Navratri celebrations in the state. And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent.
तुम्ही पळयतात प्रुडंट. You're watching Prudent.